Today, AM Pressure Washing wants to introduce to you the heavy equipment for megawatt solar panel cleaning. Today we're going to go out to the Salton Sea. We're going to go out to a big megawatt farm and show you how all of our equipment works. So as we're going through the farm, we're going to go down to some rows that hasn't been cleaned yet. Now we're going to get everything disconnected. We're going to unload the water transport vehicle from our RO trailer. Then we'll disconnect the trailer from the truck and we'll unload the skid steer that has the sun brush on it. This skid steer has the 15-foot sun brush on it that can clean up to 3-row solar panels. So once we get it unloaded, we always go up to the panels for whatever degree they're at. We adjust the brush and take it out of transport mode. We line up to the panels and then we adjust the weight inside the arm so the panel lays flush with the panels. So inside the arm, there's a counterweight that goes up and down. So once we get that adjusted, we get lined up to the panels to where we're going to work at, and before we start working, there is a weight compensator. This brush weighs 1,800 pounds. We can put about 130 psi to this brush, and you can literally go out with your finger and lift the brush up. This way, as we're cleaning, if we hit a dip or a washout in the terrain, it doesn't bang against the panels and break or damage your solar panels. So on our water, we can go anywhere from 6 gallons per minute up to 9 gallons per minute on this brush. This brush here has 22 jets, but this brush is made for 3-row. So on these rows were 1,250 panels per row. With our tank on top of our skid steer, we can complete 1 row per tank of water. So with our water transport goes to our RO trailer. Our RO trailer produces 15 gallons per minute. So once we hook up to a water source, we fire everything up and we start producing water. And the water transport vehicle goes back and forth from the RO trailer out to the end of the row to the skid steer and tops off that tank. The RO trailer has a discharge of 125 gallons per minute. It takes about a minute and 15 seconds to top off the water transport vehicle. The water transport vehicle has a 60 gallon per minute tank. It takes about 2 minutes to top off the skid steer, and then the skid steer is back to working. So with the sun brush, the skid steer, the water transport vehicle, and the RO trailer, we can clean easily minimum 20 to 30,000 panels per shift. So if you're able to do 2 shifts during the day, that's great, but most solar panel farms we clean at nighttime, and we'll work from like 6 p.m. till 6 a.m. and we can clean that many panels. If we're in a 12-hour shift with everything running properly, you can get more than 30,000 panels cleaned in 1 shift with all this equipment. We put the sun brush back into transport mode where we swing it back around next to the tractor. We load the skid steer back up onto the truck. Once we have it shackled in and secure, we hook the truck back up to the RO trailer, and then we load the water transport vehicle back into the RO trailer. Once we have everything secured, shackled down, we're off to the next location. If you got any questions, please give me a call. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.